Thank you for waiting, and salamat po for your patience with this instant notice to you. No? Salamat sa mga media natin, ng mga kaibigan. Good afternoon po. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Today, the Energy Regulatory Commission, ERC, has ordered to revoke with immediate effect all of the provisional authorities to operate issued in favor of Siquijor Power Corporation, or SIPCOR, generating units for its multiple violations of operational and regulatory compliance requirements. Following the worsening power supply situation in Siquijor province and the severe impact this has had on lives and livelihood across the island, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., during his inspection of SIPCOR's facilities on June 11, directed the Department of Energy and NEA, or National Electrification Administration, to implement both the short and long-term solutions to address the power crisis in Siquijor. Malinaw po ang utos ng Pangulo. Hindi katanggap-tanggap ang dinudulot na kawalan sa ekonomiya at pinsala sa kabuhayan ng kapabayaang ito. The DOE and NEA mobilized additional gensets to help ease the power situation, while at the same time requiring SIPCOR, the generation company, to make significant improvements to its operations.